off to Margate to potentially perform with Peter Doherty from the Libertines. Jason woke me up, my phone was ringing, and I pressed the silence button. I was just like, fuck this, I want to sleep. And then I thought, oh, I better text him. And then he was like, ah! I couldn't believe it. That was literally like me. I was like, so what are you doing now? So what are we then going to do? So when are you getting this?
He said to us, he was like, is the band here? And we was like, nah. And he was like, oh, he said you should have been rehearsing now.
Yeah.
And we was like, oh, fuck it hell, yeah. Jason straight on and was like, Gianni, get down here. Yeah.
It's not very cool.
If you want it to sound a bit funky, like,
yeah,
a bit
like
that.
here with the palm, it's a bit awkward to do that, to be fair. I've been playing drums 6.5 years now. Ish, it might be more.
Yeah. I'm filming yous. You with Crybaby? It's all kosher. You are Crybaby, not with Crybaby.